In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this tablet. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and tap on Sound section. Following that, click on this blue sweater next to Vibrate when silent to switch off or on vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this sweater next to charging sounds and vibration to switch them off or on. And lastly, manage haptic feedback by tapping on this sweater next to that vibration to switch on or off haptics for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!